I'm back with yet another video, and in today's video I'm going to guide you on how to delete your house party account. For that, you'll have to open up your house party app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the hand icon which is on top middle section. On your left hand side you'll see a settings icon. Tap on it. Go to privacy. After you tap on it, select delete account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen informing you that house party data is safe and they don't collect passwords for other sites. If you're sure you want to delete your account, tap on delete anyway. After that, to confirm your account deletion, enter your password and then tap on OK. Again, a pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on delete. This way you can delete your house party account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.